Hey everyone, it's Squirtle Squad 444 here, and today we're going to be opening up a second pack of Evolutions. So this has Charizard Mega Y version on the front. And yeah, let's get into this. Okay, and we have Charizard on the actual pack. Going 3 from the back. Okay. So we have a Full Heal, Poliwhirl, Pidgeot Spirit Link. Oh wow. That's sick. Charmander, Voltorb, Fire Energy. Oh, we got the original Vulpix, and the HP is fixed on this one. We got a Tangela, a Reverse Hollow Coughing, wow, and a Dewgong. Oh, that's cool. This might be from a base set too. I'm not completely sure, but yeah, pretty cool card. So, that about concludes today's video. I'd appreciate if you gave this video a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more Evolution openings.